Good morning, students. For class 10th computer application, last we had studied in basic Java concept chapter about the operators. To continue that topic, today we will deal with the last class what we had studied in operators and the next topics. Okay, last what we had studied about the operators. In Java, various data types are there and various functions we are operating so many operations there. For operating such operations, we are using operators. Last we had studied about the arithmetic operators in which addition, subtraction. Second, in arithmetic operators, increment and decrement, relational operators, logical operators, shift operators, and bitwise operators. So these are some different types of operators which we are using in the Java operations. Last, we had studied about the arithmetic, relational, and logical. We had ended to shift operators. So we will continue from the shift operators. So what do you understand by the shift operator? Shift operators means which we are shifting the operators from from left to right and right to left. So what is the shift operators? Data by shifting the bits of first operand left or right. Mainly left or right. To shift the operand from left to right or from right to left. Okay. Option this one. This sign. It is means that we are shifting the operand from right. Here this means that left. Okay, and this option is used for unsigned shifting. Means when we are putting this sign, it means that we are unsigned shifting. We are not shifting to any operand there. So it is known as shift operators. Now bitwise operators. So bitwise operators is most important operator which we are using in the Java operators. This one AND, this one OR, NOT, or, and this one is assignment. So on individual bits of operators and perform bit by bit operations. So we are performing bit by bit operators wherever it is needed there. Which operators we have to use, we can use that operators in certain types of operations. First one AND. 1 and 1 produce. When you are putting this AND sign, it means that 1 and 1 produces 1. And any other combination will produce 0. So it means that if you are producing 1 and 0, so then it will produce only 0. So this is the AND operators. Second, NOR. 1 and NOR 0 produces 0. What it produces? 1. And any other combination it will produce 0. Okay. Then OR. This sign represents as a OR. This sign represents as a LOR. And this sign represents as a AND. 0 produces 0 and any other produces 1. For an example, 0, this sign and 1, it will produce 1. And this complement, this sign is known as complement. So 0 produces 1 and 1 produces 0. So these are some different types of operators which we are using in Java operations. Now assignment. This sign is known as for the assignment. The operator assigns value to a variable and other operations like new instant, dot, brackets and question marks are known as conditional operators. So these are known as conditional operators. The dot, this one also, dot, bracket sign and the question mark, these are the conditional operators. For an example, we are taking expression 1, expression 2 for true result and expression 3 for the false result. Example, if you are taking 6 greater than 4, question mark 9, assignment sign and 7. So it evaluates 9 because test expression is true. Whenever such type of expression is given there, to find out that it is true or false, we are using this one. Evaluates to 9. It evaluates to 9 because test operators is telling that it is greater than 4, which is true. And another example, if you are taking this one sign as a assignment value, we are taking this one. So it evaluates to 25 because text expression A4 is not equal to 9, which is a false statement. So these are the some operators which we are using in Java operations. Next one. For shorthand operands, we are using A plus 10, and we can write this in this form also, A to 10. So this can be written, as a is equal to plus 10. Okay, so this sign tells compiler to assign to a the value of a plus. It means that this sign tells the compiler that the a value of a plus 10 for binary operations. It means that variable operator expression is same as operator expression. Got it? It means that a is equal to a plus 10 can be written as a plus equal to 10. It means that this sign represented the value of a plus 10. It means variable, this is the formula for this one. Variable equal to variable operator expression is same as var operators equal to expressions. Like the same way we can use shorthand. Shorthands. See, x some example. So these are the some operators which we are using in Java operations. Okay. For the next topic, we'll meet you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.